birthday, Albert. Wish you all the best. Good health. More successful to come. And pakain ka naman. Kamsahamnida.
Mer, happy birthday. Kumusta ka dyan? Sa labas. Sa labas ng Bulacan. Balita ko, birthday mo daw bukas ha. Happy birthday, pre. Wish ko sa'yo, sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan at sa buong pamilya mo. At more blessings to come. Sana, wag kang magalit sa akin kasi hindi na ako nakapunta dyan sa inyo. Bye-bye!
Hi everyone! So, ang daming nagpapa-birthday greetings. So, isahin ko na lang kayo lahat at isave nyo ang video ito at isend sa birthday celebrants. Greetings! Happy birthday to you and to your family. Always remember to love your parents because they are the one who pregnancy for you. And always promote peace in order. Take good care of yourself. Study hard. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday celebrant! Wow!
Yung magic scroll, pasok. 1, 2, 3. Yan ang mahulog. Okay. Ito, pagbati. Ang karawan. Ligayang pagbati sa iyong karawan. Paring Almer. Mula kay Maring Wendy. At Paring Sam.
Happy birthday, Paring Albert. Here, wish ko sa'yo mas mahabang buhay, mas malusog. Mag-ingat ka palagi, Paring Albert. Wish na miss ka na namin. Happy birthday. Ingat.
Hi Pars! Happy birthday Almer! So, lagi kang mag-iingat and stay healthy! Cheers to another amazing year ahead! Tagay tayo dyan! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya! God bless always your family and stay who you are and enjoy your day.
Stay humble and kind and always pray lang and amping lang mo nila Ate, Ellie, and Aki. See you soonest!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Miss you. Sana bigyan ka ng mataas na long life. Hindi mo daghang pang birthday nga darating. Sana hindi ka magbabago kahit anong marating mo. Hindi mo pa rin makalimutan yung pamilya mo. Salamat po Dihila. Amping sa kanunay mo. Love ka ni Mama, ni Papa, ni Kuya, ni Inday, ni Fred, si Manoy, o ni Bibi.
Happy birthday, Mateo. I love you. Mama, chup chup.
Happy birthday, Mel.
Birthday!
God bless always. And kuan ka ng always best of health and ta with your family. Happy birthday.
What's up? Happy birthday, pare koy! Bawi ra ko kon. I love you.
Aw di ara. Birthday sa akong pare best friend karon. Pwede na lang kung wish yung kining mayong panglawas kay sa si pamantagino man eh. Ang ako lang pre nga tagaan kag daghang panggrasya sa Ginoo. Ilayo ka sa dautan, ilayo ka sa mga sakit. Ug hinaot nga tagaan kapag daghang pang mga katuigan na kauban nimong pamilya. Ug hinaot ko pre nga magmalipayon ka sa kanunay. Happy birthday, Repa! Agay!
Go Ellie, go Ellie.
Ellie's the big sister.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, like this.
properly. Correct. This one.
Mommy, love you.
Okay. Don't move kasi Kuya Aki is making your card. Kuya Aki is helping you.
No. Mommy, what is that?
Don't move kasi Kuya is making. Kasi you're too small, you cannot do it by yourself pa. Kuya Aki is helping you.
What is it?
Sleep ka.
Huh?
Sleep ka.
What is like that?
Galing talaga ni Kuya. Hindi ko kaya nagawin yan.
Because you always learn per 10. What about eating?
Galing natin yun.
Mommy, what is
Sakit mata mo Kuya. Hindi sa mga sus.
Oh, it looks like that. His bird. He needs to shave.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you. I love you.
Show your card. Wow!